This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Varga. Adorable ranch home in the heart of Virginia Beach. This single-family home has newly been repainted inside and a new roof outside. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Kitchen with stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, washer/dryer and laundry room. 1 car garage and driveway space to park. 1 pet considered. Move-in ready March 26. For more information, review the details below.